dignitaries, judges, faculty facilitators, and each and everybody of the student organization present over here, the backbone of the active body of Lovely Professional University. I'm here on behalf of Horizon, Horizon. So, first question, how many of you know the meaning of the word horizon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 6, 7 hands. Okay, let me say horizon is a step above the earth which gives you a push to the sky. So that's the same motto of our organization, Horizon, to give you a step above the earth to flew to heights. So to start about our organization, Horizon. Horizon is an organization in Lovely Professional University. Being from a democratic country like India, with the motto for the people, by the people and of the people, we started this organization with the motto, by the students and of the students, but not just for the students. It's for the welfare of the students and for the welfare of the society. And going forward, the founder and COO of this organization is a student, a third-year student from Biotechnology BTech, that is Mr. Kripal Janjal. He wanted to start this organization for the welfare of the society as well as the complete welfare of the students. So, with the help of some of his friends, he managed to start this organization, Horizon, in March 2016. And while starting an organization like this, all of us know, being a part of an organization, all of us know that just an organizer, or just a coordinator, or just an anchor can't make a complete organization. So we included different fields and different categories and different departments in our organization. We had marketing department, we had anchoring department, photography department, creative arts, creative writing projects, graphic designing, writing, planning and developing, and cultural departments. All this, merging all these departments, we made and we put forth our organization, that is Horizon. And the main motive of our organization is that we want to make the students, or those who participate, or those who organize, those who come into our organization, as very much professional and the people with leadership qualities, and we want them to improve their communication skills. Moving forward to the events organized by our organization, Horizon. We had 5 different events in the past year. The first one was August 2016. August means the beginning, and that was organized from 21st to 23rd of April, and that was a literary fest. And the second one was Resonance. That was a technical type of event which included both LAN gaming and coding. The next one was Samvad. As we all know, what is Samvad? It was a conversation. As Sir told, there was a motivational seminar, that was Samvad 2016. And then there was Aadhar, the support. We visited the Pingala home, the Anath home in Jalandhar, and that was Aadhar, that was on 9th April. And moving forward, we had the second phase of August 2017 from 17th to 19th of April. Now talking about August, it was on the International English Day, and for the first time International English Day was celebrated in our university, and that was from 21st to 23rd of April 2016. And there were different competitions which was under the literary branch. There was debate competition, elocutions, story writing, quiz, poster, and logo making. There was almost 216 participants in this first event, which was the beginning event of Horizon. And you can see the logo of Horizon. This is the logo of Horizon. Actually, I told us in August there was a logo making competition, and the logo of Horizon was made by the winner of the logo making competition, and her name was Rashmi Kumari. She was from BR department, and we selected that as our organization logo, and this gives them a motivation that they can do something. We are selecting their logo as our organization logo. And you can see some glimpse of August 2017, which was our first event, 2016, which was our first event of Horizon. Moving forward to Resonance 2016, it was a technical event. As I told, there was LAN gaming and coding events. That was from 4th to 7th of November. There was 263 participants. I hope all of you know it's not so less. 263 participants in the technical sector gaming. There was CSGO, COD4, FIFA, NFS, and Far Cry 2 games were there. That was held in 14th and 30th block. And now you can see some glimpse of the technical events which was done. That was Resonance 2016. Moving forward, Samvad 2017, which was one of the most successful events hosted by Horizon. I hope everybody know about Anand Murthy Guruwan, a very well-known and very famous motivational spiritual speaker. Actually, the CEO and some of the members of our organization went to meet her to ask her to host in our university like such an event, like such a motivational seminar. And actually we were very confused because we were not with any of the sponsors to pay her. But the thing is what she told. I wanted to visit Lovely Professional University. This will be the first time I am getting a chance to visit Lovely Professional University and to give a motivational speech over there to motivate the students over there. And the motivational seminar was with regard to the topic of stress relief. And all of us know about the word of the year. The international word of the year is selected as depression. We all know the reason because there are a lot of people who are going under depression this time. So depression. So it was a very relevant topic which we took for the motivational speaking, that too in the year of 2K16. And it was held in SSDM auditorium and there were almost more than 1,000 audience in the auditorium, and that too on 18th March 2017. We know that the HRD minister was here on that day. These are some glimpses of that. Now going forward to Aadhaar 2K17. Aadhaar 2017 was the event. Aadhaar is a support. We went to the Pingala home, Jalandhar, and we donated food worth almost 6,000 rupees over there. That was on 9th April 2017. I would say we should really do something like this. It's a social welfare, social activity where we can see the happiness on the face of the children over there. And that will fulfill your mind. Whatever loss you have, suppose you have something to do on that day, but still if you go there and you do it, that will make you more happy for sure. And now these are some glimpses of that. And next was August 2017, the same literary event was the second phase of August 2016. These are some glimpses of that now. Going for the future, we have some future plannings too. Some future upcoming events. The first one will be the launching of first e-magazine. We would try our level best. We are going with it in a very good manner. We will be launching the first e-magazine of Lovely Professional University, that is Immersion, which will include all the departments and all the fields like academic, entertainment, artistic, literary. Each and every field would be included in that. And there would be Resonance 2K16 again. There will be Youth Symphonium, as Saurabh sir told. There would be like exchange of intellectuals over there. So we would be hosting such an event in the future, and there will be Aadhaar 2017. We would be hosting that with a very wide range. We already had a word with Deshpande Foundation. They told us they already like this initiative, like a social help. So they told that they would be helping us, they would be funding us, and they would be supporting us in all the manner. So that would be a very good help for us. So we would be going forward for Aadhaar 2018 in a very wide range. Next, there will be a National Science Seminar on 28th of Feb. That is the National Science Day, International Science Day. I hope all of you know. So we are planning for National Science Day. Then there will be Samvad 2018 again. A motivational speaker will be coming, and that too again with a very relevant topic which would help each and everybody of this college. And then there would be August 2K18. And for the Aadhaar 2017, which was already done, we didn't have any sponsors. Everything was crowdfunding, and that too within just 4 days we had the fund for that, and we moved for that. So I hope you got an idea about our future projects. So now we'll have a small video about our activities which was there in the previous year. So we had a very interesting 2017 and hope for a very interesting future if we have all the coordination and help from you all. So thank you so much from Horizon.